Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Fiesta Titanium X for a little test drive. It's keyless entry and keyless start on these, so foot on the clutch, press the Ford power button there, car fires up very nicely. Just before we set off, worth pointing out this one's got reverse camera, which has guidelines which move with the steering wheel, and the normal audio beeping and red and green squares on the screen. So really nice feature to have. So the car slips into first gear very easily there. Pulled away very nicely. So the clutch and the gearbox feel good. Now we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. The suspension feels good as well, riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Brakes feel nice, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. The Ford Fiesta is a really lovely car to drive, great forward visibility, really comfortable, very easy to drive as well, handles well. As you'd expect with this being the top of the range model, you've got all the mod cons, so you've got sat nav on there, and on this Sony multimedia system you've also got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and CD player. Bluetooth hands-free, both for your mobile phones and also for audio streaming off of any Bluetooth device, and a USB port and an auxiliary input, so you can connect your devices any which way. Automatic climate control rather than air conditioning, so you can just set the temperature you want in the car, press auto, and it takes care of the fans itself. No more fiddling about with them while you're driving. Really nice half leather seats, which are also heated in the front. Plenty of power from the turbo engine. Heated front windscreen as well, so winter's come in, no scraping the windscreen required in this car. Really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. So like I said, this one's got it all. And there we are. So I hope that has been useful for you. Thank you for watching. You take care. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now.